Every day in this game, man. Come on, get down. It's home ground. Check her out, man. See, I put on my gangster throne. I'm the dawn, and now you're going when I pull my trigger. Matter of fact, we live in this world, cause you don't listen to what's so loud. It was when you listen to my trap voice. I die gangster, still smuggling drugs and smoking my tree. In the street, I'm hot like a couple of G. I'm a human being, try to be a king from the underground. And I hear him mention my name in the club. Listen, little cat is small to me, like a bird I shoot. Some years back, still you fat. Things are getting bad, for in this game I'm hard like the dumb. So rap for this afternoon, till I see the moon. You can't feel it, nigga. I'm back from a real game, and you can't blame. I'm the legend who came to be a gang.
Knowledge school, and that's how I do the rap. And that's how I do the rap. How I do the rap. Way deep respect, way deep, matter of fact.
Well, up knowledge school, like the wedding good haters. I don't wanna be a troublemaker, but still be the money maker. In the street, I'm hitting. Oh man, listen, got this shit started. I'ma go party till the budget. You know, niggas wanna see a bad bitches do the other thing. Sometimes I act wanna be like a thin man, but this time dealing with the MIC. Step to the club like a VIP. Fucking with the police, cause I hate what your government name me thug. I'ma go hard in my gown till I murder one nigga. Murder few cats, so don't blame me for my ego. Cause I'm bad, I make you all the bitches ran till you shake your motherfucking nigga. And just down with my click, check on my licks, it's a real nigga. This time, how I do the rap, my speed is high and you can't kidnap. I'm gonna be forever. Just dealing with the devil, you don't have some level.
Knowledge school, and that's how I do the rap. And that's how I do the rap. How I do the rap. Way deep respect, way deep, matter of fact.
Still fresh, shine like the moon, eyes cool. In the video, this nigga every school like the deal. Slow down and show some respect for things that you never expect. Underground for so many years, and you think I can. Like Nick Katie told me, I'm a real homie. I rap for my dog in the church. I'm holding in the breeze, act cool. Take a look at my dress code. If I all gang on my part, I'm ready to shoot. Bitches noise is the big deal, yeah, that's why. Feelings on fire, my head got tired. Get down and listen to my flow. I'm getting goals, I'm shine like goals. Level keep climbing, watch how I go. The street is still shining. All my niggas are smiling, but haters are dying. Yo, way deep, man. For in this game I wore my throne. Straight from G-Town, Real Production. That's what it is. Break it down.